Come on.
All right, man, we made it. Jay, what are we doing?
We're launching the boat today for the first time.
Maiden Voyage of the Seville.
Finally got it all figured out. Had to do a ton of work to it. All the bellows, drain the fuel, carb, completely rebuild the carb, change the oil again.
Drained all the fuel out, fresh gas, new bellows, gimbal bearing. So Maiden Voyage, hopefully it goes smooth and we don't have to call towboat.
I've never worked on a boat before, so we'll see how it goes.
Let's get it, man.
Give it a little brum brum in neutral.
All right, man, after a little bit of messing around with the idle
And the batteries, there's always shit you gotta mess with, man. It's a boat.
well,
You get all nervous. But we're out here now. We're making our first journey out on the bay.
hopefully we can get it up on plane,
Yup, cruise it out here.
clear it out a little bit, get it really sucking some of that new fuel, right?
This is the first time that we've been out here in the water.
In the water.
What do you think, Mary?
Yeah, it's great. It's fantastic, except for we stalled.
Do we go
here.
through those things or
And
what?
Matt throwed us out of this.
That's
like
the
a champ.
that's the channel.
Or do you want to go over here first?
Just put around over here.
Put her on there. That sounds good.
You can like throttle higher a little bit now and go. Let me get in here.
I think we gotta trim down or something.
Yeah, I would trim down more. There you go, that's good right there.
And then what about the tabs? Is that
You don't mess with them.
We're out here.
We're out here.
We'll go check out those. These are those $1 million. What do you mean? Because I turned it up to go.
So that
faster.
gas gauge is correct, you think, with 30 gallons, it's,
Yeah, it must. Half must mean full.
or that, no, it holds 60 gallons and you only put 30 in there.
47.
Nice day here in Irondequoit. 80 degrees, full sun. Boat life. Salt life, right? You want to try and get it on plane right here or no?
No. I'm just cruising.
Doing it.
Jump off the back.
Pull up to them docks. Hell yeah, man, we made it.
We're out here. We're in the water.
Nice job, bro.
Going off.
Ran good, had to adjust the idle a little bit.
That happens with rebuilding the carb, not everything's perfect.
Yeah, but otherwise, we're
So,
straight.
Mark,
Right here on the other side of the bay, near the sandbar. You can tell because this cliff is all sand, and then all right here, it's all sandy, so it's like the perfect spot to be.
get over there next to the shore. It's like freaking 90 degrees of water.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's straight. Find a little bit of glass.
And wash glass, even though we're in New York.
Yeah, those are just beer bottles.
The beach still washes it in the sand, so just like same old drive.
Let's do it, bro. Yamahabros out here on the bay. Around the quoit. I'll put you out in the nine on the bay. Absolutely. Low and slow, baby. Around the Quite Bay Bridge. All right, guys, there you have it. Successful first maiden voyage. Missy. Ran great. Jay's gonna back it in around all these cars, hopefully. Nice. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to another Yamahabros video. That's it for today.
Great day out on the lake. Couple little problems, nothing we can't fix. Didn't have to deal with no Coast Guard or nothing. Got
No
to
Coast
swim a lot.
Guard, no Towboat USA.
Super tan now.
Burnt.
Hopefully we get to go back out again tomorrow. It's gonna be 90 degrees.
And pretty soon we're gonna get back on that Cushman, get some other projects done, so stay tuned.